Today's DIY, I'm going to be making a pumpkin decor, and I'm going to be using this that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using this yarn that I purchased from Michael's, and my scissors, and I'm going to be using gemstones from Walmart, my glue gun, and also this pet brush from the Dollar Tree. And to get started, the first thing that I'm going to do is cut this piece off. Okay, then I'm going to take my yarn and I'm going to just wrap it around. And just make sure it's enough room for me to tie it. And then after I get my first piece measured, I'm just going to go through and cut. You know what? I think it would be easier. I have an easier way to do this. So I found a box that was the same length. Well, it's a little bit shorter than this strand, but okay, we'll still use it. And what I'm going to do, instead of just cutting it piece by piece, I'm just going to wrap this around. And then after I get my pieces cut, I'm going to take like 2 or 3 at a time. And just wrap it around and tie it. I'm going to continue to tie the yarn all the way around. So I'm using 2 strings. And then I'm going to pull it, and then I'm going to separate it and take 2. One from this side and one from this side, and then tie it. Tie another knot. I'm going to take the pet brush and I'm going to just brush the yarn. And I'm just going to continue to go all the way around the pumpkin, and then I can go back, and if I see any spots that need to be filled in, I could just add more yarn and then just brush it again. Okay, so after I finish brushing, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to look like fur. And this is what I'm looking for. And I didn't do the top. I'm just going to leave this as is. Now I'm going to take my scissors and just go around and trim the fur part. And then after I get it trimmed to where I'm satisfied with it, then I'm going to take my my gemstones. I probably just get a bigger size and just add them randomly all over the pumpkin. But I also want to go around the top of the pumpkin, and I'm going to be gluing these on with the glue gun. So I'm just basically going to go all the way around the top.